Hey friends, Kevin here with this really popular Nuetsa power strip. This does have surge protection built into it, 8 outlets, plus it has some USB ports. The company did send this to me to test out and share with you. So let's get this thing out, see how good it really is. Bottom of the box, you're going to have a really detailed instruction sheet with pictures. This is going to be our main unit. These are available in different colors. Has a nice plug on the end that won't take up a lot of space going into your main wall outlet. Built-in Velcro strap so you can take off the cords you need. So with this plugged into power, we'll flip it on. Has a little blue light showing that you are protected. It also has a second light to tell you whether or not that you have this properly grounded. If you notice, this light is not on, and that's because I plugged this into a portable power station just to test it. So let's go hook this up to a real wall outlet, get some real devices in here, and see how this thing performs.